Branches of statistics and the fields of study. Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. Just with most sciences, there are specific branches of study in statistics. You have data collection, descriptive statistics, and inferential statistics. With data collection, we are focused on collecting the data. This data is then sorted and put into datasets. The types of data we collect can either be qualitative or categorical, and quantitative or numerical. For qualitative, this could mean color, shape, size, and brands. For quantitative data, you are strictly dealing with the behavior of numbers. With data collection, we have some areas of concerns. These concerns include the sources of the data and the fairness of the data collection. We want to be sure that the data we obtain is from trustworthy and reliable sources and that it doesn't contain bias. It is crucial to ensure all data come from a reliable source. This leads directly into the fairness of the collection of the data. Was the data collected in a fair manner? Was the collection of the data done in a way that allowed for a variety of answers? Here is an illustration of the population and sample population. It would be very expensive and time-consuming to research and survey the entire population, so we just take a small sample of it to save time. It is important to be sure it is a relevant sample population, so it is a fair measure of the true population. Descriptive statistics is all about the presentation of our data. This is obtained by presenting data in a numerical format, which can be explained through averages and other numerical equations, or it can be done through a visual representation of the data, like charts and graphs. In short, descriptive statistics involves organizing, summarizing, and displaying data. For instance, the data below represents the test scores of a recent exam. If we take a sample of 10 students' test scores, the numerical average of these scores would be 80.3. If this data were to be inserted into a pie chart, it would look like this. Inferential statistics is all about the numbers and conclusions we draw from the data that we have collected. The sample we obtain must be a fair representation of the entire population. Say a study was conducted on a college campus to see whether students believed it was beneficial to eat less protein. This would be a fair sample if it was conducted across the board on the entire campus. It would not be a fair representation of the entire population if you only surveyed students in a bodybuilding student organization. From the data they have collected, they will infer an idea and base this for the conclusion of the study. Please be sure to check out all my videos, like, share, and subscribe, and check out my social medias.